Did you know that chameleons don't change color just to hide? The real reason is way more fascinating. Chameleons use their amazing colors to communicate with other chameleons, showing aggression, attracting mates, or expressing stress. They also change color to regulate their body temperature, darkening to absorb heat, or lightening to stay cool. And sometimes it's all about their mood: excited, scared, or relaxed. Next time you see a chameleon, remember, every color tells a story. Like and subscribe to discover more amazing animal secrets.